how to forward voice messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to forward voice messages on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the messaging icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the DM section, simply open the conversation that contains the voice message that you want to forward. And now here, once you're inside the chat, simply find the voice message, and once you've found that, simply press and hold it. And once you do that, a menu will appear on the screen. And now from the pop-up menu, you can just select forward, and now you can simply select the person or the group that you want to send it to. And here, once you're done selecting it, you can just tap on send, and that's it. Now you know how to forward voice message on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.